Sure. Below is a detailed outline based on The Subtle Art of Not Giving AFCK by Mark Manson. The Subtle Art of Not Giving AFCK * by Mark Manson. Video summary. Welcome to today's video. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by life's constant demands, or if you are tired of trying to please everyone, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the philosophy of The Subtle Art of Not Giving AFCK by Mark Manson. This book isn't about living a carefree life, quite the opposite. It's about understanding what truly matters, what's worth caring about, and what's not. Mark Manson's perspective on life, happiness, and personal growth. First things first, let's get one thing clear. This book is not about telling you to stop caring altogether. It's about making a choice on what to care about and learning to let go of the things that don't really matter. Care about what matters, stop wasting energy on what doesn't. We live in a world full of noise, constant social media updates, endless opinions, expectations from others, and a barrage of media telling us we need to have it all, do it all, and be it all. Mark Manson's main message? You simply can't care about everything. Trying to care about everything is exhausting, and it doesn't lead to happiness. Chapter 1. Don't try. Chapter 1 kicks off with a pretty bold statement. Don't try. It sounds counterintuitive, right? In a world that tells you to hustle, grind, and always give 110%, Mark flips the script. He argues that our obsession with success, achievement, and constant positivity is, in fact, a form of self-deception. The more we try to be exceptional at everything, the more we feel inadequate when we're not. Trying to be the best at everything, whether that's in your career, personal life, or social media presence, just sets you up for disappointment. Instead of trying to be perfect, Manson suggests we focus on being honest with ourselves about what truly matters. Let go of the things that drain your energy and focus on the small but meaningful aspects of life. Chapter 2. Happiness is a problem. Let's talk about happiness. We all want it, but the pursuit of happiness is often misguided. Manson argues that happiness doesn't come from avoiding problems, it comes from solving the right problems. The key is choosing which problems are worth your energy. Cut to an image of someone juggling tasks, overwhelmed. If you're constantly chasing after fleeting pleasures or trying to avoid discomfort, you'll never experience true satisfaction. Manson suggests that happiness arises when we face and solve meaningful challenges, not when we escape from problems altogether. Chapter 3. You are not special. Let's take a hard look at entitlement. Manson drops another truth bomb in this chapter. You are not special. We live in a culture where everyone is encouraged to believe they're extraordinary, that they deserve fame, wealth, and recognition. But here's the thing. Manson points out that not everyone can be extraordinary. And that's okay. In fact, when we accept that we're ordinary, it frees us to focus on what we truly value, rather than chasing empty, external validation. Embrace the ordinary. Chapter 4. The Value of Suffering. Next up, we dive into a somewhat uncomfortable truth. Manson argues that we all face suffering. It's an unavoidable part of life. But what really matters is not avoiding suffering, but choosing which suffering we're willing to endure. Whether it's struggling in a relationship, working hard at your job, or facing personal challenges, your suffering is a reflection of your values. If you care deeply about something, you'll likely have to endure some hardship for it. The key is aligning your values with the kind of suffering you're willing to accept. Choose your struggles wisely. Chapter 5. You are always choosing. Moving on to the next idea. You are always choosing. Mark Manson emphasizes that we are constantly making choices, even if we think we're not. Whether you are aware of it or not, you choose how you respond to everything in life. Some of us think we don't have a choice when things go wrong. Maybe you didn't get that promotion, or a relationship fell apart. But Manson argues that how we react is always in our hands. You may not control the events in your life, but you absolutely control how you interpret and respond to them. Chapter 6. You're wrong about everything, but so am I. Now, we come to one of the most humbling chapters of the book. You're wrong about everything, and so am I. This is a radical invitation to rethink everything we know about ourselves and the world. Manson encourages us to embrace uncertainty. We often think we have all the answers, that we know exactly what will make us happy. But the reality is we don't. And that's perfectly fine. The truth is, the more open we are to being wrong and rethinking our assumptions, the more we grow. Chapter 7. Failure is the way forward. Failure. It's not a word most of us love. But according to Manson, failure is essential to progress. The idea that failure is something to avoid is a myth that holds us back. Instead of fearing failure, we should embrace it as a necessary part of growth. Manson says, the people who are the happiest are the ones who are most willing to fail. The more willing you are to fail, the more opportunities you have to learn, grow, and improve. Conclusion. The art of not giving AFCK. So, what is the subtle art of not giving AFCK? It's about choosing carefully what you care about. It's about caring less about the things that don't truly matter and focusing your energy on the things that do. Life is short, and your time is limited. What you decide to care about will determine the quality of your life. Instead of worrying about what everyone else thinks, or trying to live up to impossible standards, ask yourself, what is truly important to me, and focus your time and energy on those things. If you embrace this philosophy, you might just find that the things you care about become clearer, and the noise around you fades away. Closing scene. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into The Subtle Art of Not Giving AFCK by Mark Manson. Remember, life is not about avoiding discomfort or trying to be perfect. It's about choosing your struggles wisely, accepting your flaws, and focusing on what really matters. Until next time, take care, and give fewer FCKs. Subscribe for more insightful